I'm Theron Q. Ramacharaka. A very good self-mastery tool and indicator of self-mastery at the same time is obey the laws of your culture. Follow the laws. Obey the laws. It doesn't matter whether you agree with them. Follow the laws. If the law says don't spit in the grass or don't spit on the sidewalk, then don't spit on the sidewalk. If the sign says do not walk on the grass or stay off the grass, then stay off the grass. No exceptions. Don't just cut a corner and get 1 foot on the grass. If the sign says stay off the grass, stay off the grass, period. If the sign says speed limit 55, don't go 56. Go 55 or a little less. Don't exceed the limit at all. If the traffic sign says yield to emerging traffic, then yield. If you're on an off-ramp from a highway, and if you were to go left at the bottom of the off-ramp, you have a traffic signal, but if you go right, you can just merge with the traffic and the sign says yield. Then yield. Don't just keep on going or gun it to get in front of somebody. Yield. Follow the law. Obey the law. If the law is marijuana is illegal, therefore don't smoke it, because if you do, you'll be breaking the law, then don't smoke marijuana. I don't care what you think about marijuana. I don't care if you believe that you should have the right to smoke it. I don't care. That's not the point here. That's not even relevant. This has to do with self-mastery. Obey the law. Now, if you think, whoa, hang on here, Theron. I'm not going to let my mind be controlled by some sign that says speed limit 55. That's just mind control. You know, that's what kind of self-control or self-mastery is that? I am in control of my mind here. I am in control of my life. If I want to go 60, I'll go 60. I'm not going to let some sign tell me what to do. What kind of self-mastery is that? Okay, come on, folks. If that's what you're thinking, you got the wrong idea about self-mastery. That's just letting your mind go crazy if you think like that. You're not getting control over it. That's the easy way out, isn't it? Just go 60 anyway. That's just the easy way out. Get some control. If the sign says speed limit is 55, do not exceed that speed. Find out which one takes a little bit more self-control, obeying the speed limit or not. That should answer your question, or that should refute your counter-argument here. I'm Theron Q. Ramacharaka. Be well. Have a good day.